Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Wix site for better SEO performance, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Wix account. Open the site you want to update. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on Site Settings in the left-hand menu. Choose SEO, Google. Ensure your site has a relevant title. Make it descriptive and include target keywords. Next, scroll down to the Site Description field. Write a concise description that summarizes your site. Incorporate your primary keywords without stuffing. Now, move to the Pages section from the left menu. Select each page to optimize underlying elements. For each page, edit the page title. Include specific keywords relevant to that page's content. Next, adjust the page description for better relevance. Make sure it entices users to click. Return to the dashboard and select SEO Tools. Click on URL slugs to customize your page URLs. Shorten the URLs and include keywords when necessary. Verify that your site has a mobile-friendly design. Open the mobile editor to make necessary adjustments. Now, consider adding alt text to your images. Select an image and click Settings. Input descriptive alt text that includes relevant keywords. Head back to the dashboard and navigate to blog if applicable. Optimize each blog post's title and meta description. Use captivating headlines to increase click-through rates. Ensure load speed by checking your site's performance. Look for any slow-loading pages and update them accordingly. Now, enhance your internal linking structure. Link relevant pages and blog posts to each other. This helps improve site navigation and SEO. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.